can see the thing in the mirror.
That's right.
Cause that's a beautiful mirror.
It's a beautiful mirror. Come on na, anak. Chika kay ka na ko eh.
Mommy,
Yes, Baba.
when I was a little baby, I used to use that one.
Exactly.
When I was a baby.
When you're a baby, you're not a baby anymore.
Yes, I'm a big girl. I'm big like Katia.
Good morning, people! Morning! 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 Welcome!
Back to our channel.
Happy Friday, everyone! And it's currently 11 o'clock ng umaga. Nearly 11 o'clock. So, nakabihis si mami nyo and ang ating baby girl.
I just want to I really want Father's Day.
What is it na?
I really like Father's Day too.
Oh, you like Father's Day?
I like Father's Day with me to have a cookie.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Next year, Father's Day next year.
Yes.
Okay? Allah! What was that?
That wasn't me.
Was it you, Ate Paris?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Are you sure? Tell me the truth.
No.
Who was it then?
The baby sleep.
Was it you, Baba? Was that you?
Yeah.
Ay, nako, nagpupo. Late na tayo ngayon, nak. May lakad kasi kami, guys. Honey? Mommy's talking. May lakad kami ngayon. So, appointment ng ating baby Celine sa kanyang maternal and child health nurse for her 2 months check-up. Kasi 2 months siya kahapon, diba? Hala, nagpupo. Malit na dyan taanin na.
Feel again.
Popo again. There's a lot of popo. Agoy. You feel better na?
Okay.
Agoy.
Okay.
Agoy. Agoy. Ayan. I'm super excited as always, guys, kapag check up ng ating baby girl. Kasi nga, diba, the measurements and, you know, checking if she is growing fine and no issues. No? There's no issues naman, guys. So, tingnan niyo naman ang mukha niya, no? But it's really good to hear from the nurse that, you know, she's doing well. So, you're gonna see the growth na. Your height, your weight, and the size of your head. Size of your head. Nakulangan na yung weight mo ngayon na kasi nakapupo ka na. Okay, so we're just going to change her nappy now so we can go because they're gonna call us soon. Oh, so where is Celine? We need to see Celine. At itong isa din gusto nang manood ng TV. So, iiwan ko muna si Paris dito. Honey, you stay with Daddy for now. And then, you go meet us up there later, okay? Do you want to go to the nurse? Yeah, so you just go, you and Daddy later, and we'll see you at Tito Jamie's later, okay? Okay. Alright, guys, we'll see you later, ha? Because we'll change the bambam na, imbis na ka-ilis na. Imbis na ka-ilis na ang boto. Libang-libang.
A few moments later.
Kakatapos lang namin sa nurse namin. Open na lahat yung door. Tulog na tulog ang ating baby girl. Dito na naman tayo. Aawa akong gisingin ba, oh? Kita niyo ba? Ang dilim. Ayan. Open na. Ilalagay ko na lang siya sa ano. For sure, she'll keep sleeping kasi tulog na tulog yan, eh. Deep asleep. Deep asleep. Ayan. Okay, guys. Time check tayo. It's 12:10 ng tanghali and kakapasok ko lang kay baby Celine sa ating car. So, yes. The moment of truth. Ito talaga yung pinakagusto ko, guys. As mentioned all the time, pinakagusto ko talaga kapag pumupunta kami dito for a check. Kasi, as a mother, I think, parang gaan ng loob na, you know, knowing that our baby is growing well. So obviously, that's what happened, guys. So I'm gonna tell you an update ng ating baby Celine. So, 2 months old siya kahapon. And for her 8 weeks check, so yung weight niya ngayon ay 5.6 kilograms. Yung length niya is 58.5 centimeters and yung head circumference niya is 39.6. So weight niya, guys, nasa 75% siya. So as the length, around 73 to 75%. And then yung head niya is around 84%. So yung sabi ng nurse, she is growing beautifully. Para, ang tawag dito, yung mga numbers, it looks, anong tawag dyan, it looks, nabagay ba? It just means that yung weight niya ay nababagay sa kanyang length and yung head niya, yung length niya ay nababagay sa kanyang weight at sa kanyang head, vice versa. So, that's a really good news. It makes a mother really happy pag ganyan. And yung ginawa din, sumaybel yung nurse. And then, parang ginaganon-ganon lang niya yun. Tapos, she's just checking if Celine is following. So, yung pag dito niya nilalagay yung bell, kung sinusunod ba ni baby Celine. And then, ano pa ba? Yung chinek niya. Oh, tinanong niya ako about sa speed ups ni baby Celine. Can you remember? Yun yung naging problema ko before kasi always na nag-speed up si baby Celine. And this time, she's getting better because probably, you know, getting better at feeding her. So, before, every time na umiiyak siya, pinapadedi ko. But now, we're doing like the 3 hourly. So, every 3 hours, she's showing the sign na she wants milk. At may mga time nga during the night na umabot ng 4 hours before siya humihingi ng milk. So, tinanong ko yan sa nurse. Sabi ko, okay lang ba na minsan umabot ng 4 hours, especially sa gabi, na hindi nagdidede si baby Celine. Ang sabi niya, looking at the weight, she is definitely gaining weight. So, there's nothing to worry about. The baby will give you signs na she's hungry, so you don't have to worry about it. So I'm so glad about that. So that's all done for today. The next one will be the 4 months checkup, which we booked already for the 15th of December. So we're not gonna see the nurse till then. Now we are going to pick up Daddy Mike and Ate Paris from sa bahay. Kasi gusto kong pumunta ng Filipino shop, guys. Gusto kong bumili ng mga ano na naman, mga pagkaing mga pagkaing Pinoy. So we'll go and we'll see you again really soon. I'm super happy, guys. Super grateful. And ayan siya, natutulog siya ng mahimbing. Diba? I can't ask for anything more, guys. What is it now?
I make Daddy really angry.
You make Daddy really angry?
Yeah, last night.
Why?
Because I've been naughty.
You've been naughty? Okay. Oh, excuse me.
Sorry, Mom.
It's alright. Yeah, this way. Come on. Did you say you've been waiting for me all the time?
Yeah. No, I wasn't house waiting. And being naughty to Daddy and you.
You've been naughty to Daddy?
Just to...
No, because it's very windy.
I want to sleep now.
Okay. She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Are you checking up on her?
Yeah, checking her the weight and I'm touching her.
Yeah, touch her. Come on, sit down now.
I see this thing in the mirror.
That's right.
Because that's a beautiful mirror.
It's a beautiful mirror. Come on na, anak. Chika kay ka eh.
Mommy,
Yes, Baba.
when I was a little baby, I used to use that one.
Exactly.
When I was a baby.
When you were a baby, you're not a baby anymore.
Yes, I'm a big girl. I'm big like Katia.
Yeah. Your friend Katja.
Katia. Katja?
Me.
No, my the other one.
The other one. Who's the other one? What's her name? Ayun na.
I don't know.
You forgot.
What's her name?
Yeah. Can you remember? The one who let you win?
Like the wheel.
And the
Like the wheel. Like,
Can you hold the camera, please? I'm gonna. Okay. Talk to them.
I don't know to talk.
Tell them that you've been waiting for me.
I've been waiting for you.
You've been waiting for me outside the house
Yeah, over the times.
all the times. Okay. Did you miss me
Okay.
and baby Celine?
Yeah. You got my lips.
Beautiful lips. All right. We'll go now.
A few moments later.
Hello. Oh, shush, shush. No crying. We are home now. We are home. Don't cry, anak. Medyo dark dito kasi naka-close ang ating blinds. What is up, my love? What is up? Oh, nying. Hello, my papa. Good afternoon. There you go. There you go. Sleepy pa yan siya eh. Bago lang yan siya nagpadede. It's nearly 5 o'clock na guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh, ulan sa labas. Oh, spring. Spring daw.
Mommy, I got Ariel necklace.
Is that your Ariel necklace?
Yes.
A plastic bag.
I make it.
Well done natin. Hindi ko pa napakita sa inyo yung mga napamili ko sa Filipina shop, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, sangkatutak mo naman yung ating nabili. Tignan nyo. Isang box na naman. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, I'll be quick. And he knows me very well. Sabi niya, I know when you say you'll be very quick. Kung sasabihin ko daw na mag-spend lang daw ako ng $20, paglabas ko daw, nag-spend na ako ng $200. Ayan. So, buttercream. Meron tayong miswa. Gusto kong magsabaw with tinapa ba? Sardines. Dato puti soy sauce. Pangkabuhayan showcase pala to. Beef mami. Pansit canton. Pillars. Ayan. Cheese ring. Quick chow. Dalawa chicken flavor. Stick-o. Diba? And then Filipino style na spaghetti sauce. Nata di coco. Alam nyo ba na galon-lunon ka ni guys. Hindi ko to siya ginagawang fruit salad or anything. Kinakain ko to siya by itself. Muncher. Hala, asang isa ko muncher diri. Dalawa to siya. Ewan ko kung saan ka na sa kusina. Naiwan sa kusina. Peanuts. I've got 2 sardines, ligol. Tinola. Of course. Corn bits, corn snack. Pastillas di obe. Meron akong pastillas di langka. Kinain ko. Chocolate. Magic sarap. And then, coconut water. Yung lipa na coconut water. 3. So, yun lang ang aking nabili. And, resibo is here. Oh. So, I paid $88.10. Yes, anak.
I really like the brown one.
You like the brown one? Say hi sa tita. Tita. We haven't seen before. Oh, see. Say hello.
Hello.
Alam niya, ang ating baby Celine, nakatingin sa amin ba? Nandun siya sa basin. Sabi niya, kayo lang magkadul-kadul dyan, ha?
Yeah.
Nak, babe, what number is this, nak? 23? That one, mahal, look.
10.
This one. This, oh.
No.
Guys. 8.
8.
Yeah. There you go. So, ilagay ko lang sila sa pantry. And then, nag-isip ako kung anong lulutuin ko for dinner. Ewan ko sa Daddy Mike. Siya ba yung magluluto? Or what not? Hangin, anak! Ang lagi na makita ni tita. Multo ko, anak. Noodles na. Do you want? Do you want noodles?
I like this. I like
Mama, have noodles first.
When noodles, I have surprise.
That's right. See? Yummy, yummy in the timer.
You can see it.
Natutulog pa ang ating baby girl.
You can open the plastic up.
Ano pa ang mata niya, oh. Yeah, we'll just put water on that one.
Why?
Open it, nak. Take the plastic off.
Of
Do you
course.
know how to do it?
I don't know.
No, pares yan. Tingnan yung isa, oh.
Make it help.
I have a lot in here. If we eat, then yeah, we can have surprise.
Mommy.
Mag-eat ka na kayo. Niwang na kayo ka na. Bring that one, B, to the kitchen. We'll boil water.
Mommy.
No. Sing sabi. I am Diana.
No.
Kaya, do it. Bali.
No.
Hala, hindi kaya, wala ka gisumbi mo na. Come on.
Huh?
Say, I am Diana. Naman na.
Yeah, I wanna take you to the play. Yeah.
Good afternoon, peeps. What time is it, Nanak? It's 5:30. It's 5:30, Baba. Where's your toy? This is Baby Celine's toy. What's Baby Celine's toy's name, honey? What is that? What's her name? Katia? Katia daw, nak. Is your friend's name Katia? Nge. Honey. Here. Two. Yes. What can you see? What can you see? Can you tell Mama? Can you tell Mama, sweetheart? Oh. You like that, don't you? Your nose. Yeah, do you want to see yourself? Here. Wow. Have a look. Can you see yourself now? Wow. Can you smile? Can you smile? Smiling. Yes, Anna. Good job, Baba.
A few moments later.
Milk, can you hold baby Silly for a little bit? I want to hold baby Silly.
You want to hold her, just let her lie down for a bit. Okay, let Mama eat, okay? It's time check. It's 11 o'clock ng gabi. Ngayon lang nakapag-vlog ulit. Alam niyo, tingnan niyo si mami niyo. Nakatulog si mami niyo, guys. So, I took baby Celine to bed mga 7:30. Ganon. Sumakit kasi yung ulo ko. Pinainom ako ni Daddy Mike ng Panadol. Kaya, nakatulog tayo. And ito siya. Gising to siya the whole time. Oh? Careful, anak, ha? Careful, baby Celine.
Yeah.
And she was sleeping. And now she's awake. Huh? Watching Daddy's game. Tingnan yung nilalaro ni Daddy Mike ko. Basketball.
My look.
Wow. Wow.
I'm going to do it.
Uy. Good job, Ate Paris.
Why it's too slow?
Tara na.
I like it that. My
Mama's gonna eat, okay? Mama's gonna eat, okay? Yes, good girl ni Mama. Hmm? Good girl. Pinadete ko na to siya. Gutom na gutom na.
in my hand.
Did you?
Here.
Oh. Are you okay?
I don't want after my fingers.
Are you okay now?
Okay.
Just turn the heater on as well, guys. Sobrang maginaw. Careful. It's raining outside pala.
And Corella's outside.
Yes. Careful here na ka. Kay baby silly na.
My
And Daddy Mark cook dinner, guys.
No.
Nagluto pala siya habang tulog. Tulog si mami niya. Nagluto siya ng steak. Ayan. Tapos may rice. Ayan. Oh, kita niyo ba? So, ayan yung ating dinner. And then, gumawa din siya ng gravy. Merong mushroom. Are you hungry, Ate Paris?
No, I'm not hungry.
Sure?
No. I can miss you, my bones.
Ayan, yung ating rice. Pwede parang maging dukot yung ano na, kahit sa rice cooker.
Ready, go. Ready, you want the come on.
Pinakain na pala ni Daddy Mike ito siya kanina. Kaya hindi na yan siya gutom. Ang ginawa na lahat ni Daddy Mike guys habang tulog si mami niyo. Sobrang sakit talaga ng ulo ko. I'm not sure kung side effect pa rin yan ng vaccine, no? Kasi it's been, ano naman, third day. Third day na yun. So, I think, the side effect was still showing sa ano, mga 1 week siguro, ganun. Ang sakit ang ulo ko, guys. Grabe. Kaya nga ako nakatulog. Ang laki naman ang steak na to, eh. Boom.
Mommy,
Sobrang laki.
but then my daddy made that.
Yeah, your daddy did it.
Yeah, I help him.
Did you?
Yeah, look.
Wow.
And my dad makes me help.
Yeah, I would have been helped.
Thank you.
Thank you, though.
Ready?
Five minutes later.
Hello, everyone! Hello! Nakapasok siya sa kanyang sleeping bag. So, we're going back to bed. She's yawning now. Yeah? What can you say to Tita and Tito? I'm going to sleep now. I'm going to sleep now. Wait! God bless you, my love. God bless you. Dalawa ay nandyan, oh. But yes, guys, that's about it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Paris, thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Be careful. Be
Paris,
careful.
go. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Careful, bye.
bye. Walang ga.